up here. Medyo nag-struggle palo nila Dongallo and Gahero, but meanwhile, take a look at that quick attack galing dito kay Chuatico.
From a timeout, Chuatico
Taking it to the next round. As that time, Chuatico.
pass from Libero Cortez, setting up for that quickly. And another point for
Dahil dikit sa net. Kaya naman, naitapik ni Chuatico. A crucial error. Cortez, quick set para dito kay Chuatico.
Gertol laid on that block, giving Chuatico that.
you can see them really traveling up north, down south, just to join, have, yung mga leagues sa Bacolod katulad ng NCAA.
And Chuatico puts it away. Galing dito sa Bacolod Taytong High School, 8-1 here in set number 2.
That's Chuatico going to the top and right away comes up for that quick attack. Very athletic, great pass by Taytong and a quick attack from the middle by number 2, Chuatico. Eating up from the onset. That's some great playmaking as well coming from both setters. Bacolod will really, look forward to playing her still wearing blue and white for college.
Working start for the Thunderbolts. They now lead 7-1 as we listen in to a Coach Cromwell Garcia timeout. Hidden Mojos now.
Excellent defense at the net. It's Chuatico and
Did block from Bacolod Taytong. Iponya. And like a well-oiled machine, Bacolod Taytong High School once again.
First pass by Bacolod Taytong. It's just really perfect for Hiponia. And giving Chuatico
example of a good product.
And she has been a maestro so far, talking about the skating. Reportedly committed to play for the Ateneo Blue
Yes,
Eagles.
well, it was confirmed already.
Even going personally to Bacolod City.
Good timing there on the tandem of Chuatico and opposite striker, I believe.
Chuatico with a quick hit.
That was a nice hit by Chuatico.
Great job galing dito kay Gian Chuatico.
First set, 14. But Chuatico responding in an instant.
Cortez goes to Chuatico.
Chuatico, she's looking, giving that powerful spike pero pinip over niya lang.
Polanco block once again.
We have been getting those tough blocks since